Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, these days we have flat culture a lot, and a lot of people lives in flat where we have some space constraints, and we want dining table, but the space doesn't allow to have a big unit to us. So something like this can be considered. This is a round unit for a four-seater, and the diameter of this one is 4 feet, and it has got a rotating portion in the middle. A very nice design and a very classical design as well. And this has got the brass work on top of it apart from the carving work that you see here. This is quite handy thing. You can keep some pickles or salt, pepper, all those things, and is easily movable, so you can pass to all sides. The design is very nice. You see the pillar design, the vast design at the bottom on the leg area, and supported by four pillars. In round table, generally, if you have a bigger sitting like six-seater or eight-seater, the diameter goes quite big. In a four-seater, it gets quite compact, and when you place all the chairs inside, it takes very less space as compared to a rectangular dining. So in a corner, you can set this, and it can accommodate a couple of more chairs if you have more visitors. So you can move the chairs a little closer and keep a couple of chairs extra, and it can be used as five-seater or six-seater as well. The design is nice, all wood. This is all woodwork you see on the top. Everywhere, you would require a glass on top of it. The glass you can procure locally and place on it. We don't provide that for transportation issues. The design on the chair, a bucket design, as we call it, and it's a 360-degree carved unit. If you see the bottom base pillar, carved completely, and a very trademark set of our city, Saharanpur. You may have seen this several times online or in some movies and in some TV programs also, because we are making this for more than 30 years now, the same design, the same thing, and we have sent it across the globe, the same design. It's a nice work, though very classical, solid wood, and the nice work you see, the quality of arson. You want any change in design, let us know, we'll make that for you. You want bigger or you want more chairs, change in colors, fabrics, we can do that and deliver anywhere you want. Hope you like this. A few comments of yours. Thank you so much.